My hope for this place is that we can recover what's been lost for a lot of our whānau, and for our whānau first and foremost.
If I can teach my children, my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren about this place, I think they'll get a lot out, instead of like me learning about the Battle of Ohawai like in the last 5 years. For me, that's a must. I have to teach, my children and grandchildren those stories.
So while I absolutely acknowledge that this place has an important role to play moving forward for a retelling of those stories and surfacing some of those narratives, what people don't realise is that we were never privy to those narratives either, so we would like to learn them as well.
Yes, as I said, there's this battle that kind of sits there as a point in time, but it is literally a point in time, and I think, acknowledge it, but also what else can we be known for? I always say, I like to say, is that not so much once we're warriors, but once we're gardeners. For a very, very long time, these were the gardens of the north.
We do keep things to ourselves, Ngāti Rangi. We don't go out and tell the world who we are. We're quite reserved, I think. And I think that the time has come that we have to share this history with everybody else, not just keep it, It's a really nice piece of history, I think. I think it needs to be shared.